Hey there's South Florida. Morning meteorologist Julie Durda. We have a cold front moving into the area. Cloudy skies and precipitation has been moving in from time to time. We'll continue to see those on and off showers as the cold front does continue to move through. It's basically going to stall out over us for a few hours before pushing south because we need an extra lift in the atmosphere. So that won't happen until going into Wednesday morning. So we are going to keep that chance of showers from time to time till tonight. By tomorrow, look at that. Wednesday at 10 a.m. This is just one of our many models. Shows clear skies and dry conditions. We will notice definitely comfortable conditions as well. In the tropics, there's an area we're watching with an 80% chance of tropical cyclone development. Take a look at the forecast. Fantastic once this front clears. And going into the weekend, we'll have another front move in. It will be dry, dropping our temperatures Sunday into Monday.